Hi, my name is Lori, and I would like to share my recent experience working with Brent Miller at the Homeowners Protection Alliance and William Kumar at Roosevelt Law Firm. They saved my home. My home was recently in foreclosure. I had been through a very difficult time after a breakup with my boyfriend, who shared the house with me and shared expenses with me. I wasn't able to afford the house on my own, and I had planned on trying to sell it, but my mother became ill and needed to live with me, and I couldn't afford an apartment that was big enough for both of us any better than I could afford my house. So I decided to ride it out and look for a better paying job. With the economy the way it was, my area was really not full of great job opportunities, and I was unable to find a better paying job. So I was stuck. I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to try to get into an apartment with my mother. She would be confused. She suffered a head injury and had dementia. I was concerned that the change of environment would affect her in a really negative way. She might even try to wander because she wouldn't recognize the house. So I was going to just ride it out as long as I could, and I tried to apply for mortgage assistance twice on my own. I did go contact a local agency that was free, that was supposed to help people get mortgage modifications, but after going through them twice, I had no luck. I got turned down twice. And then a sheriff showed up on my doorstep with a foreclosure notice, and I panicked. I didn't know what to do. I went online and tried to find information on what to do if you get a foreclosure notice or a sheriff's sale notice, as the case was. And I came across the Homeowners Protection Alliance. I asked for more information, and Brent Miller contacted me within 24 hours. And he spoke to me on the phone. He arranged a third-party phone call with my lender. He talked to them and stood up for me. It was the first time anybody had taken my side and spoken for me, because I didn't know what to say for myself. And he told me that the loan that I had was a predatory loan and that my lender was mandated to work with the government modification program because they were one of the banks that had been bailed out by the government. I didn't know any of that, and that gave me hope. He didn't judge me. He didn't make me feel like the loser I felt like because I couldn't make my payments and I couldn't get a better paying job even with an associate's degree. He gave me hope. So he got me in touch with William Kumar at the Roosevelt Law Firm, and William answered my questions. He gave me all the documents I needed to fill out. He explained what I needed to do, how to do it, what they were looking for, what I needed in order to qualify. And after a couple months of back and forth with the paperwork and getting everything together, I got a note saying I'd been approved. And that never would have happened if I had just done it alone, without a lawyer on my side, without Brent Miller at Homeowners Protection Agency getting me in touch with somebody who knew the laws of my state and who could help me. I don't think I would still be living here. He saved my home, and he also got me a lower mortgage with about a $200 a month less payment, a little over $200 a month less mortgage payment. And I am now making my payment, and I am rebuilding my credit, and I have hope again.